We're here. We're facing terrible situation. We're going to some of the parts of Dhaka city. It's really challenging. It's a heavy rainfall here. So we have Nazmul Alam to talk about it.
Hello everyone. Today we are in the middle of the Dhaka city and we have been visiting several places. The life of city, life in the city, the city's people's life has become very hard. Everyone's life has become stark. The people and kids, elders.
Have a look the situation. Rain rain is falling from the overbridge or flyover. Have you seen?
Okay, because of the heavy rainfall, there is no escaping route from the top of a bridge. All the rain coming through the all the rain, all the water coming through the overbridge is making people's life very hard. So,
And the draining system is horrible.
yes, it's really horrible. The problem is, all over the city they don't have any central waste system. All the waste running through the pipes and comes into the drain, and when drain fills up with water, it comes into the street, and everywhere it runs to the water, and it makes really hard for the people, and it's very contagious, and it can give you
We have stuck here for hours.
yes, we have been standing here for several hours, like 2 or 3 hours, and there is no escape. We can't go anywhere, and we are witnessing the heavy rainfall. And you see all the business people and everywhere, all. Okay, and this is not any ocean or any river. This is the part of Tiger City. As you can see, the water is the pool of water. They can't. It is not. It's not able to move from here. And if you like our channel, please share and subscribe our channel. The name of our channel is SMAR Arfin, and hit the like button.